I don't think that dog's going to sit at him either. Dave Nelson tried
Hi,
to
cutie.
This one?
Oh, come on. You guys were playing so nice. There you go.
Oh, my little waddler. Look at my waddler.
You made a friend for life.
Aw.
I love her. If I didn't have, you know.
Well, one more is going to make a difference.
Oh, tell my husband that. They're doing so. Come here. Come here, lady. Oh, they're having so much fun. Sit.
We've got another organization close down here somewhere. Right there.
Myra. Sit. Myra, let's get off of all this. Come here, Myra. Sit. Yeah. No. Sit. Sit.